Benefit cost ratio. The benefit cost ratio compares the present value of benefits to the present value of costs. So the thing to emphasize here is the present value. It's not simply benefit and cost, but the present value of benefit and the present value of cost. So a BCR greater than 1 indicates a project is worthwhile. Think of it like comparing the cost and savings of installing solar panels. If savings outweigh costs, it's a good deal. Example, present value of benefits of energy savings is this amount. Present value of costs, installation and maintenance is this amount. So you are going to take the present value of benefits and divide by the present value of costs to get 1.25, which is a good deal because it's greater than 1. That means it's a good project. If it is less than 1, it is not a good project. Step-by-step calculation in Excel. First, calculate the present value of benefits using this formula. Next, calculate the present value of costs using this formula, which is again the same formula as before. So finally, divide the present value of benefits with the present value of costs. So next, I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate the BCR using Excel. Okay, so let's see how to calculate benefit cost ratio using Excel. So this is the annual energy savings, let's say from a solar photovoltaic project. And the project lifespan is 20 years. That means that's how long the solar panel will last. Discount rate is 5%. Present value of cost installation is $80,000. So you're investing $80,000 now, and in the next 20 years is going to give you an energy savings of $8,000 per year with an interest or discount rate of 5%. So that is for the costs, $80,000. This is the annual energy savings. Present value of benefits is 5%. Number of periods is 20. Payment made each period is minus 8,000. Why? Because it's a savings, so it's minus 8,000. You are not paying anything, but you are getting something from the project. It's actually an inflow, so it's not an outflow, so it's minus 8,000. It's not really a payment, it's the opposite to payment, so that is minus 8,000. And future value is 0, means it's not really, you are not making a lump sum of money after 20 years. It's every year you are earning something. So first, let's calculate the present value of benefits. Is the rate. The first argument is the rate. NPER is 20. Payment made each period is minus 8,000. And future value is 0. So this is the present value of the benefits. And next you are going to calculate the benefit cost ratio, which is the present value of the benefits, means this one, divided by the present value of cost. How much you are investing now? It's $80,000, right? This one, if you're wondering why didn't we calculate the present value of this one cost, because you are making the payment or the installation cost right now. You are not you are not investing it after a year. You are doing it right now. So it itself is a present value. You don't need to convert it into present value anymore. So is this a good project? Yes. Why? Because it's more than 1. It is 1.25.